riding Belair today. Got the Spectral Engineer pop-up tire. Got all my stuff. So yeah, we're just waiting on someone. Let's put everything in. Hold on.
Good, bro. How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh, alright. What do you think? You haven't seen it yet.
What a rig. I haven't seen this yet.
But we just got dropped off. New cleats, so I gotta... Oh, okay, that's good then. You know when you like the rubber in your shoes are still like really stiff? So you don't get that like clicking sound when you clip in?
Yeah, it's like...
I just shimmied my way in.
Shimmy your way in.
Yo! And we do a little crossing of the road.
I don't know where we go now.
Just straight up there.
Oh, maybe we'll stop before it because I haven't seen it.
Yeah, that'll be chill. I'll stop right before the jumps.
Yeah.
Alright, chill. Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, see if we can clip in. It's just up there. Do you want to take a look or?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you just come flying, I guess, through here.
Yep. Yeah, this one's pretty chill.
Yeah, it's just chill.
Oh!
Oh.
Do a bit of climbing.
20 minutes later.
Ready?
Oh. Goggles.
My goggles are fogging up. What?
Just because we're not moving. Alright.
Off he goes into the sunset. Yeah, boy. Oh my days, why is he so speedy? Bro, relax, chill.
It's like a whole last step down of doom. Into like...
He should send that.
Look at how you're landing.
Yeah, boy. Sanding it on the hardtail.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Clip in, please. Those jumps are so chill.
I feel like Troy wasn't the way I was squashing them. That's awesome.
I think it's in here somewhere. Take a look. Yo! That was so sick.
Oh. Yes.
That was so lit. Wash! Yo! That is so sick!
Wash! Oh,
I hit something, I don't know what I did. Highline here. Holy dusty. Yo! Alright, we'll get to the station. It's down here. It's on the other side of the road of Ando's. Yeah, alright, we'll go up over here. Let's figure out where this trail is. We can just go down here. Ready?
yeah, I'll follow you, bro.
I'll probably be pretty slow on it. It's my first time on it. Alright, let's go. Yeah, clip in. Yeah, boy. Whoosh. Yo! It's a bit overgrown. Crap. Look at that. Big drop.
Holy.
I don't think that landing's up to par.
No, that landing's cool. There's a rock in the middle.
Right, let's go figure out where this trail ends. Ooze. Slight problem. We went the wrong way by like 3 Ks.
Yeah, we didn't check the map.
We're great at this.
A bit tight. Bro, what?
We took the train out for our last run at Belair, and if you didn't see my story, it was a little bit tight. Alright, ready? Ew! Yeah, boy! Ah! Dude, that is so sick! Oh shit!
Right. Otherwise, oh, rock the horse.
Alright, this is the
Say hi.
yeah, boy.
Oh, big one.
Bruh. Oh!
I'm kind of scared. I want to hit it, but I feel like I'm not warmed up enough.
Yeah, boy.
Oh,
Steez.
oh shit. Whew. Oh. Wait, guys, watch out. Wait, someone getting a
Oh! Bro, my foot came unclipped in the air.
Oh my god, you got so loose.
My foot is not clipping in.
You scared me so bad.
That was pretty chill though. After that run, we decided to pack up and ride back home so we could get dropped off at Lofty. Police! We just took photos at the top of Lofty. So now, we are going to go do the Lofty thing. Big ride today. So yeah, let's go. Bus stoppers. I'll just tell you to keep going. Bye-bye. Oh, he's gone. Speedy. It's so dusty. I've overtaken him. Oh! Oh! Like when you went off the left on that high line bit that you could do on the container, on that cement bit.
Yeah.
There was just dust everywhere. Who made it to Ewoks? Smooth with it. Alright.
Maybe.
Up,
either.
downshift.
Uppity downshift. Oh, it's like.
D-ropping. Push. I think we're gonna have to walk this one. Alright, 100% effort. I made it down alive. We just made it up. I'm going cool for the video. Ah!
That's awesome.
Alright, we're off for Gully now. That was a pretty tiring climb.
Ready?
Ready.
Send it.
Gotta make sure my shock is unlocked. Where's my switch? Unlocked. Hold on.
So steep. Oh, this is so much easier in the dry. Except I can't see. Oh. Saved it. That's so steep. Stuck in the rut. Oh,
Yeah, boy.
oh, my arms are so cooked.
Same.
I don't even know how we did that in the wet last time.
I don't know, actually. How did we do that in the wet?
We didn't. We slid halfway down the hill.
Yeah, that's where I crashed. Just made it down to the bottom waterfall gully. I'm on really low on my battery, but yeah. That was a pretty good ride. We did Belair, and then we did Belair and Lofty. How far was that? Like 45 k's?
Let me check Strava actually.
Check this Strava.
3 hours, 9 minutes, 43 k's.
43 in 3 hours is not bad.
Oh yeah.
Shockers. Let's get back. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. We did a pretty big ride with Brandon. Thanks for riding. I'll link his socials in description, and Dead Sailor merch and kit. So yeah, thanks for watching, and go watch my next video and sub.